I'm going to start just like we started yesterday. I'm going to go with my horizon line. I'm going to put my vanishing point here, my vanishing point there. I'm going to start with a vertical line. Make sure you use your ruler. And go to the vanishing point, to the vanishing point, to the vanishing point, to the vanishing point, just like we did last time. This is a vertical, so vertical, vertical. I'm going to erase all this here, and erase all that, erase that, erase that, erase the middle, the horizon line, just like what we did yesterday. And that's going to be your basic structure of a building. Now, I made a better one right here. What I'm going to add to this building now is I'm going to add doors and windows and different kind of stuff, make it look like a real building. So I'm going to start with a basic vertical line. I'm going to make it go to the vanishing point, because every single line we make goes to the vanishing point. Make it a little bit wide. Another vertical line, and I'm going to add a second vertical line in the middle, right here. And then I can put my little doorknobs there, whatever it is you want for a glass door. I'm going to add a little row of windows at the top, because maybe it's like a factory, maybe a little store. I'm going to go from my vanishing point, and I'm going to add a little line here. I'm going to go to the vanishing point here, add a line there. I'm going to add a vertical here. You could have also started with this vertical line if you wanted. I'm going to add one more here, and one more really close to it. I'm going to add another one here, and another one close to it, and one at the very end. So I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase in between them. So now I have 3 windows that are on a row, shrinking at a distance, all together, like a building might have. The next thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add another row of windows at the other side, except they're going to be a little bit smaller, just to make it interesting. Maybe those are the main doors. So I'll start this way. The main windows, I'm sorry. One line here, one line there. 2 lines, maybe 2 rows of windows right here at the top. So I'm going to go to the vanishing point, to the vanishing point, to the vanishing point once again, and to the vanishing point. Now, this stuff right here was decorating this side of the building, so it was going to this point. This stuff right here is decorating this side of the building, so it goes to that point. So I'm just going to put my vertical line here. Can make this grow a little bit. Vertical line there. I'm going to move it across a little. Vertical lines. Skip a little gap. Vertical lines. Vertical, vertical. Skip a little. Vertical and vertical. So now I can erase again, just like I did earlier. So now I have 2 rows of smaller windows. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little road, a little pathway that comes from outside of the building right here. To get stuff going opposite, growing out, you go to the opposite point. So I want something growing out on this side, I'm going to go over there. So I'm going to go to this point. From that corner where the building starts, where the door starts, I'm going to go out. Right here, right where the corner of the door starts, I'm going to go out again. So that's a little pathway that comes out of our door. If I want sidewalk lines on here, this is on this side of the building now. So to decorate, I go from this point. Because remember, here to decorate this side, we went to this point. Here to decorate this side, we go to this point. So now this road, sidewalk thing, is on this side of the building, on this side, so we decorate from this side. Sorry, there's the bell. Now, if I wanted to see this real thick and real fancy, all I would do is I would add another line going from my point right here, a double line. And then these right here would be straight down, straight verticals. And that's how you would get a 3D sidewalk going to your building.